Hey guys, so this is my first work trip, and I got to go to San Francisco.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So I was over there covering Samsung's Unpacked event and also capturing the behind the scenes of a fortune cookie factory, which is pretty cool. And I was lucky enough to also do all these touristy things. I definitely want to go back to San Francisco and check out some more nature activities like hiking and whatever else you could do at the parks. But yeah, stay tuned for more travel vlogs.